So today I'll be sharing with you my okra soup recipe, a healthy okra soup recipe. So I was just sitting one day and I imagined the okra and I decided to make it. So first thing, I rushed to the market, make made the list before rushing to the market, so I'll be able to organize all the stuffs without making any mistake or forgetting anything in the market. So I rushed to the market, bought all the items and ingredients that I'll be using for the soup. When I came home, I washed everything thoroughly, washed the cow skin. The cow skin is always dirty, and I actually love eating cow skin, although they said there's no health benefit attached to eating of cow skin, but I just like it. I don't have a reason why, but I just love eating cow skin. So I washed everything thoroughly, washed the stockfish, combine everything together, then season, added my pepper, added everything, put it on fire. And there are some people that fry their okra, but I don't fry my okra sharp. But there are some time I can feel like frying it. Everything is all the same so long as you make a very good pot of soup. So I actually separated my okra in two parts. The first part is I pounded it, like kind of blend it so it will be thick. When you add it to the soup, it will stand as a thickener. Then the second part of it was cut in pieces, not like it wasn't blended or pounded. No, it wasn't. So I kept it, so the eyes of okra now, so it won't really go off. So I first of all put the one that I blended, so it will serve as a thickener to the one in the pot, before adding the raw ones, the ones that, as you can see, the difference is clear. So I added this one. Now I'm using fresh fish for this recipe. The reason why I did not add my fresh fish initially is I'm preventing it from scattering. If I had added this fresh fish from the beginning, it would have scattered. So I don't want it to scatter. That's why I did not add it. So after the okra is combined perfectly well, I think this is a suitable time for me to add my fresh fish that I've already washed and kept. So I added my fresh fish and my smoked fish to the soup. Now, remember too, I didn't tell you that I will be using vegetable leaf, also known as ugu, in my place. So I'll be adding to it. Although some person said, why will you be making okra that is a vegetable and you're still adding vegetable? That is waste of vegetable. But my dear, I will tell you that there is nothing like waste of vegetable. Nothing like waste of vegetable. When you eat healthy, your body too will be happy that you are eating healthy. So I added crayfish to my soup again. Crayfish is one of the things that gives this okra soup a very nice taste that you would want to, that feeling that when you eat a soup and there's enough crayfish, you know how you feel. So I added crayfish to it again, gave that a quick stir, to mix everything together and allow it to boil very well before adding our vegetable. Because if it doesn't boil very well and you add your vegetable, it will not, the vegetable will be looking somehow in the face. You won't like it and it will not be appealing for you to eat. So I allowed that to cook a bit. Then while giving it a quick stir. The reason why I'm giving this thing a quick stir is for the foamy part of this okra soup to really mix together. You get, let it mix together. That's why I'm giving it this quick stir. So you can actually be doing any of your thing, like you can be doing any other thing while watching the recipe. You can be doing any other thing that concerns you. So as you can see, the difference is clear that the foamy part is not really much again. So I went further to add my ugu leaf, which I called it vegetable leaf. That said, some people would say they would rather eat only vegetable soup rather than mixing vegetable and okra, because okra is a vegetable on its own. But I don't accept that fact. Whatever it is, so long as you're eating healthy, that is okay for me. So I give that a quick stir, mix everything together so the vegetable would combine totally well with the already mixed ingredients, the okra, the soup itself, the main soup itself. So can you imagine the outcome of this soup? What do you think? This soup is actually looking appealing. I just feel like eating it immediately right now, but I'm not going to be in a haste because I'm the one that have the owner. I have the soup, so I don't need to be. As you can see my face, I'm even smiling. My face is just showing smile, 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 smile. The aroma want to kill me, but I will not die. Imagine the outcome of this soup. This soup is so nice. This soup is so nice. Even from the look safe, it's even see now. This soup is actually nice. This soup is nice. So this is it outside of it. So please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next